Hey everyone, I am Rishav, and in today's video I will be telling you about how you can create your own NFT, how you can list it in the store, and how you can sell it, right? And you can also make money out of that NFT that you have done with your Instagram profile without paying a single rupee when you are listing the NFT. Right, so that is a really cool thing. So what you're waiting for? Like this video, subscribe my channel, share it with your friends. Now let's just begin with making our very own NFT. Right, so if you have not checked the previous video, like what is NFT, how NFT works, why people buy, you can see the video that will be given in the I button. Right, so see that video if you have not watched that video. So let us just start today with making our very own NFT. Now to make your NFT with your Instagram pictures, what you have to need is Coco NFT. Now Coco NFT, what happens there is it takes your Instagram pictures or videos or reels, anything, and makes it as an NFT. Then we need MetaMask wallet. It can be Android app, means there are three versions: Android, web, iOS, or web. So I will show you in the desktop mode, like in the Chrome, installing MetaMask. And the last one where your NFT is listed, that is Rarible. Right, in Rarible we list our NFTs and people buy or sell there, the NFT especially. Right, so let's just begin without wasting any time. So first thing, I would show you MetaMask wallet first of all. So open any of your Chrome browsers, it can be any one. So first thing, you can search in your Chrome browser MetaMask wallet. So you will see this one, right? So you will see this one, that is the MetaMask official website, metamask.io. You can click on download. Now there is the three version, as I told, Android, iOS, and web. I would show in the Chrome. So you have to click install MetaMask for Chrome, right? And once you click this one, it will take you to the web store. Like simply click on add to Chrome simply, and it will add the extension for you. So it is checking. Let's do this one. So you can see that it is coming, MetaMask has been added simply, right? So click on this MetaMask icon. You can see MetaMask icon. Now once you have clicked on this, it will open the MetaMask website, that is. So here it is coming, get started. Click on get started. You can see create a wallet option is there. You can create a wallet. You can see all these things. I agree, click on I agree. Now create a new password, because there is no option for forget password. So create a password which you can remember, right? So I would give a password here. Simply click on create after giving your password. So it will create your account of MetaMask wallet. Now why we need this MetaMask wallet? Because whenever we sell or buy, so the thing comes in our MetaMask wallet itself by the Ethereum. Right, so that is the thing how we need MetaMask wallet. Now click on next. So remind me later, you can click this one, secret this one, and click on cross. Now this is set up. Any Ethereum that you will get, it will be added in your MetaMask from Rarible, like when people will buy your NFT. Now MetaMask is done. The next thing is that I told you. So NFT MetaMask wallet is done. Now the next thing that comes out here is Coco NFT. Coco NFT, as I told you earlier only, that Coco NFT is need because for taking out Instagram images, converting it into an NFT, right? So that Coco NFT is needed. And the whole process that we are doing is known as lazy minting, because in this process we don't have to pay the gas fee, which is free of cost. At when you will sell your NFT, at that time the buyer will pay the gas fees, right? So that is the whole process that with zero cost you are doing, right? So go for Coco NFT for taking Instagram images and making as an NFT. So simply you can search Coco NFT. The first one that will come, means coconft.com, the first one, that is official website. Go for that only, don't go any other. So now here you can see Coco NFT. So click on get started for free simply. Now once you have clicked get started for free, it will come for login. Now here you have to use existing wallet as MetaMask. So click on this one and click on continue. You have to use the MetaMask. So you will see the pop-up of MetaMask wallet that we have created just a second ago is coming. So you can see that your account is showing with 0 Ethereum. Click on next. we will select this account, we will click continue, and it will start connecting. And you can see so in simple clicks we have connected our MetaMask wallet with this one. Now click on this accept terms and services, like 18 years old and co-connective terms and services, accept that, click on accept. Now here the option will come first, connect to Instagram. So you have to connect to your Instagram to Coco NFT so that your images can be taken by Coco NFT while creating your NFT, right? So click on allow here. Now it will open your Instagram account. Now you can take any of the images. Now I will take a random image. Don't see my image like what I am taking, but you can take any of your image, right? So these are my Instagram handles. And one more thing, if you have not followed me on my Instagram, go and follow my Instagram account. There also I post contents, right? So you can follow me there also. The name will be displayed at the screen. You can check that from there. Now what you have to do is come on to your Rarible account. So first of all, in the Google search Rarible, and the first one Rarible, that will come. Open that one official website, and once you have opened the Rarible website, you will see like this. So this is the thing. So simply click on create and choose Ethereum from here. Sign in with MetaMask, you can do this one, and MetaMask this one will open up your account. Click on next, connect. So it will connect your account. So you can tick on these things, proceed, and it will create your account. Now here you can see that notification. Now put your email, that when your NFT will get sold out, you can check it out from here, means you will get an email. So I will write my email so that you can get notification. Simply click on get notified. It will verify with MetaMask wallet and it will be done. So select your account, sign in. So done. Now you will get a notification whenever you create. Now what you have to do is now your account is being connected. Now what you have to do is create NFT in the Coco NFT, right? So it will come like so. Now select any of the post like out of which you want to make your NFT. So I'm selecting this post as my NFT. Give it a name, so I can give it coding meme NFT simply, and after that click on continue. Then there will be the pricing. You can see the pricing, that how much you want to make out of this NFT. So I'm listing it at this price. So I am making it this much only, not more than this. And click on upload. So that is $50 US, right? Basic $50 US. And once you click on upload, you will see your MetaMask. This one will open up. Then signature and all this. Click on sign in simply. And once you have signed in, click on again upload. It will take a little time. And you will see all these things. Click on sign in, and again these things, click on sign in, and now you can see that your thing is being created, your post is being created, right? Done. So now your NFT is being listed here. Now if you want to check your NFT on Rarible, like we have created our account on Rarible, so simply you can click on like view on Rarible, so you can see your NFT. And whenever now your Rarible, from Rarible anyone will buy your NFT, you will get an email notification immediately on Rarible. So you can see that our NFT is being listed here, right? And we have connected our account also, so you can see that one. So collection Coco NFT, creator 50% royalties, bids, history, and all these things. So you can see it is on the sale, all these things, right? So that is our NFT is being created. So congratulations that you have created your NFT successfully. So what your work is to do, subscribe my channel, like this video, and comment down that you have created your NFT or not. And someone, if any of one, those who are seeing this video, can sell your NFT with a price that you have set, then comment me down below, means come to my video and comment that yes, I have sold it, right? So basic process of creating NFT without giving the gas fee, it's cool, right? So subscribe my channel and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, have a great day.